Hi guys, Alex Underwood here, and welcome back to my channel, my aliens. Aliens? You guys like that as a fan base name? Let me know, because I think I do. Al's Aliens? Get it? Ha! I think I'm funny. Today I have this purple smoky eye for you, and I am obsessed with this. 1, because I love purple eyeshadow. 2, smoky eyes kill me. And 3, look at this blinding, see me from the moon highlight. Like, oh my god. It's just amazing. But if you guys want to learn how to do this look, go ahead and stay tuned. To start out, I am setting my eyes with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion, and I didn't happen to catch it on camera, so I also primed the rest of my face with the Smashbox Pore Minimizing Primer. Then I'm going in with my Kat Von D Lock-It Foundation. I am mixing shades Medium 58 Neutral and Light 45 Warm. And I'm just putting that on my eyelids up to my forehead because I will be setting the rest later. Then I'm just setting my lids with shade Extra Creamy from the Too Faced Peanut Butter Palette. Next, I'm going in with shade Buon Fresco from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. I believe I'm pronouncing that shade right. And then I also mixed it in with shade Georgia from the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. Next, I'm going in with the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Black Bean, and I'm patting the color on rather than wiping it because it is going to help it be a little bit more opaque. Next, I'm going in with shade Blackout from the Urban Decay Naked 2 palette, and I'm just patting that on top of the black. Next, I'm going in with shade Urban from the Urban Decay Electric palette, and I'm just blending that into the crease and then blending those colors together with a fluffy brush. And then going back and forth with those colors and the white on the highlight to make sure that they're as stark as you want them to be. Next, I'm going in and putting foundation on the rest of my face. Again, this is the Kat Von D Lock-It Foundation, shades Medium 58 Neutral and Light 45 Warm. And I'm just bouncing that all over my face with a damp beauty blender. And don't forget to blend that foundation down on the neck and the ears. Next, I'm going with my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer, and I'm just using this to highlight the high planes of my face. And of course, bouncing that out with a damp beauty blender, making sure to bounce so it stays in the places I want it to be rather than moving all over. Then I'm going to be baking under my eyes with the RCMA No Color Powder and setting the rest of my face with the same powder as well, brushing off any excess with a fluffy brush. Then I'm going to be taking shade Urban again and dragging that onto my lower lash line and then blending that up into the color above just so it's a little more seamless. And then I'm going in with shade Blackout, and I'm keeping that closer to the lash line than the purple, and I'm smoking those out. Then of course blending them out so they blend seamlessly into the skin. Next, I'm I'm going in with the Milk holographic stick in shade Supernova, and I'm using that on the highlighted planes of my face. I'm applying this with a synthetic brush, and then I'm setting it with shade Purple Horseshoe from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Glow Kit. When I got to my cheekbones, I started to apply it with my finger rather than the brush because it warmed up the product a little bit more and helped it blend a little bit better into the already set foundation. I suggest doing this with any cream because it might help it blend a little bit better. Some creams do blend fine, but this one just needs a little bit extra help. And then of course setting that with Purple Horseshoe. I also decided to go in with the Jefree Star highlighter in shade Eclipse, and I just put that on the very high points of the highlight on my cheekbone and then blended that so it was a little bit of an ombre effect. Then I'm going in with my Benefit Hoola bronzer and contouring my face. Then I will be blending my contour out with my e.l.f. blending brush. Then I went ahead and did my lashes off camera. It's the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara and 2 double-stacked Ardell wispies. Next, I'm going in with the Revlon Super Lustrous lipstick in shade Primrose. And I'm just going to be putting that all over my natural lips, not really overdrawing. I really only overdraw with liquid lips. Then I'm setting my face with the Urban Decay setting spray. And of course, you know, I got my fancy fan out. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching my video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. I cannot wait to see you guys on the next one. If you guys want to hang out with me when I'm not on YouTube, you can follow me on Snapchat at Alex_Underwood, on Twitter and Instagram at Alex with 2 X's 2017. Don't forget that second X because you won't be able to find me if you don't. And you guys can also look me up on my website, which will always be linked down below.
Look, I just have my eyebrows done and I haven't even cut them yet.
They're still slaying. Guys, this is my roommate that I was telling you about in the last video, how amazing she is. This is her.
I don't always look like this. I promise I can beat a face.
Oh my god. Comment down below if you want me and Sophie to do some sort of challenge video together with our faces all beat
I'm so
up.
down.
Or like any kind of video where me and Sophie, we could like do each other's makeup. We've lived together for months and haven't even done each other's makeup yet. Who are we? We both are obsessed with makeup.
Frost.
We got roomed together because we love makeup and haven't even done each other's yet. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell so you can get notifications for when I upload. And don't forget to let me know if you have any ideas for future videos for me because I'd love to pop those up. Bye, my aliens! They're gonna see you in space like they should, my aliens. I'm kind of hyper today. Sorry, it's Saturday and I have pigtails on.